Welcome to our newest listing. When you come and look at this beautiful house, know that you are also purchasing a lifestyle. The Wolf Ranch community has so much to offer, from miles and miles of hiking and biking trails to a rec center with a pool and even a lake that you can kayak or paddleboard on. I can't wait to show you around. This home is beautifully open. You are going to love the open floor plan. It boasts 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 4,100 square feet.